I'm gonna do a mask with this. Let's just say that I made it. It's currently warm. If you drink enough water, it gets more clear. I'm just grabbing some cotton pads here and gonna dip it in this.
It is his pee.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, why does this smell so bad?
Because it's your
my
pee.
hands real quick. So the reason why I'm doing this mask is because this liquid contains something called urea. Not urine! I didn't say urine. Urea is good. Urea is good.
Urea is a common ingredient in skincare products. It can be very good for moisturizing the skin. But this is urine, not urea. There are a lot of beauty and skincare trends that go viral on TikTok, and some of these are absolutely terrible. We're gonna watch some of the worst TikTok beauty and skincare trends and react to them.
Think about it. Why would you not sun the most vital area of your body?
This is called perineum sunning, and it is this idea that if you sun your taint, basically your private parts, that it can be a healthy thing for you. And a lot of the people who are fans of perineum sunning will reference a study by Ben Greenfield several years ago where supposedly he did this and it increased his natural testosterone levels. Well, the fact is that he never did a study. Ben Greenfield didn't do it. He basically just tried this on himself, and it did appear to increase his testosterone levels a little bit. But there's absolutely no science to show that sunning your perineum is good for you and it truly increases your testosterone levels.
My taint remains unchanged.
If anything, what you can get from sunning your perineum is a red, burned perineum. Don't do this to your taint, please. Just got a pore vacuum. Why are you putting that on your lips? Don't do that. What's the point of this? Dermatologists as a whole are very much against pore vacuums. They're unnecessary and they can be very harmful to your skin. You can get bruising and irritation and even create telangiectasias, which are tiny little blood vessels that can develop in areas of trauma.
Little bruise.
Now, while using a pore vacuum on your lips can definitely temporarily plump them up, you can get the same thing from slapping your lips or getting punched in the mouth. So please do not use pore vacuums, especially on your lips. If you truly want to enhance your lips and you don't want injections, there are several topical lip plumpers on the market today. I'll list a few in the caption below if you're truly interested in trying some. They can work to plump your lips for a few hours. Sometimes you get a little bit of stinging with them, but if you want to try it, not a big deal. Pore vacuums on the lips? Definitely not. Attractive older woman, just got some sun damage. Oh! Ooh, this is a phenol peel. Yeah. Let's see how she looks. Oh, impressive. I think there's a filter. They filtered this. The most aggressive chemical peels are phenol peels. Phenol peels can create a massive, dramatic change in the appearance of the skin, but they can be very dangerous if done under the wrong hands. Phenol is a type of hazardous chemical. When you put it on the skin can be affected to the point where essentially you're a burn patient. Now, when we apply phenol as a chemical peel, we have to limit how much we apply at one time because it is so toxic that it can create arrhythmias. Your heart can go into an abnormal rhythm due to the toxicity of the phenol. So typically when phenol peels are done, you literally will divide the face into quadrants, 4 quadrants, and only do 1 quadrant at a time, spacing it so that you don't have too much phenol on the skin at one time, increasing your risk of an actual arrhythmia. And it is true that at least one person has died in the past from arrhythmias from a phenol peel.
The best thing you can do for yourself, and it's free because your body produces it, because our bodies are amazing and our bodies have exactly what we need. We are perfect machines. As long as we treat our machine correctly, it treats us correctly. You create the medicine that you need for all oral health care, and that's your urine. use urine, swish it around in your mouth, and it'll heal any ailment going on in your mouth. Trust me on this. And it doesn't taste bad. It's not that gnarly.
Why back to urine? Okay, I don't think I need to look up studies to determine whether drinking and swishing urine in your mouth is healthy for you. This is a waste product of our body. Just use toothpaste, please, and see your dentist regularly. Are you like the millions of people who have a bathroom filled with half-empty bottles and tubes of skincare? They may have promised to reduce your wrinkles, lighten your blemishes, and help you feel better about your skin, but none of them actually worked. Well, I've got the answer for you. It's called Youn Beauty. Youn Beauty is one of the only skincare lines that combines natural and organic ingredients with the latest and scientifically proven components like vitamin C and retinol. I'm so certain that you'll love Youn Beauty products that we offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, no questions asked. Head to younbeauty.com and use the coupon code 20OFF to get $20 off your first order over $99. I'll put a link in the caption below. Once you try Youn Beauty products, I bet you'll throw away your other skincare products and start loving your skin again. Thank you for putting your trust in me. This is called carboxytherapy, and this is actually a treatment that has been around for a long time, but it has never really taken off. Why do you think this hasn't taken off?
I know it.
I mean, it looks pretty scary, but the reason why it has never really taken off and gotten really popular is because there's absolutely no science to show it works. Now, there's a belief that if you take a little needle like this, you put the needle under the skin and you inject carbon dioxide, this is basically carbon dioxide gas, underneath the skin, that carbon dioxide will then cause oxygen to be attracted to that site, increasing the oxygenation, and that causes the area to look younger afterwards. It rejuvenates the area. And once again, there's absolutely no science to show it works. Now, the good thing with carboxytherapy is it doesn't appear to be actually dangerous. Now, this looks really scary. I mean, take a look at this eye. I mean, that looks scary to me as a surgeon who does eyelid surgery all the time. But technically, the studies that have been done on carboxytherapy don't appear to show that it is all that dangerous. It just really doesn't seem to do much.
I don't know who needs to hear this, but vabbing works. Vabbing 100% works. Like, what the fuck? I got offered 2 free drinks at the pool, and then a guy literally came back and gave me this. Like, what? What?
Do you know what vabbing is? Well, you can Google it, or I'll explain it to you right now. It's basically a woman using her own secretions and scent as a perfume. And apparently this is a hot thing on social media. This woman has done it very successfully. I don't really have a whole lot to say, but it seems like it may be a little unhygienic. To each their own. These are threads that are placed under the skin as a way to enhance the collagen of the skin. Now, thread lifting started way back in the early 2000s, and there were these permanent barbed sutures placed underneath the skin as a way to try to lift parts of the face.
Now a bit of sticky. And already she's twice as beautiful as she was before. Voila!
And initially, those barbs would literally kind of attach onto the deeper tissues and make it look like they're lifted. But with time, a few months, the tissue would refall again and those results would basically be gone. So after doctors did this for a couple years, they figured out, hey, these thread lifts don't work. And instead of just trying to lift the skin with them, you can put dozens of them underneath the skin as a way to try to stimulate collagen production. And it is true. Doing this can increase the collagen of your skin. So why don't I recommend doing this? Well, you can increase the collagen of your skin in so many other ways that aren't so expensive and aren't so invasive. So for example, using a retinol cream every night on your skin, increasing the healthy protein in your diet, and taking a collagen supplement. All of these can result in an increase in the collagen of your skin, and they don't require dozens of needles being threaded underneath your skin with the potential risk of complications. Okay, so we have seen some of the worst skincare and beauty recommendations on TikTok. I'm going to show you a TikTok of mine where I give you some of my favorite skincare recommendations. Unlike the ones you've just seen, these are Dr. Yoon approved. These skincare hacks can save your life or your wallet. Apply moisturizer within 2 minutes of getting out of the shower. This will lock that moisture in for many, many hours. Make your expensive products last longer by using a spatty. Either cut open or break open the product and use the spatty to pull it out and continue using it. Apply a simple Band-Aid or a hydrocolloid patch over a pimple overnight. This will settle it down and make it look much less red in the morning. And you can use minoxidil or Latisse off-label to help regrow over-thinned eyebrows. It definitely works. There are a lot of other plastic surgeons and dermatologists who are giving great advice on TikTok, and I react to some of their most viral videos in the video right up here. Take a peek at it. You'll enjoy it, and hopefully you'll learn several things out of it as well. And remember, eat real food, use clean skincare, and only consider actual plastic surgery as a last resort.